Christmas.
Here, you want me to help you? I'll cut it open. Olivia's happy with the paper.
Oh no,
Hey.
I can't help, Mommy.
Yep.
Holly Jolly Christmas.
Okay, here.
Holly Jolly Christmas.
I can't imagine there's too much else in here for you though, because you already got stuff, buddy. There might not be anything in there for you. This is from my parents, babe.
Wow! I'm sad. Already it's not from Grandpa Grandma's. It's Santa's present.
Oh, what does that say? Is that for Xavier? Let me see. Let me see. It says for Xavier from Grandpa and Grandma. That one's yours. Look, are those tattoos? Oh, they're Green Bay Packer tattoos, buddy.
Holly Jolly Christmas.
Oh, awesome, buddy. It's a puzzle. And now you can see where Grandpa and Grandma live. And where Slam Jam lives. That's awesome, bud. No, hold on. I'll open it for you. Do you want to help Olivia open hers? Here, look. I think this one's for Olivia. Yep. Go here. Go by Olivia and open it. Make sure she can see you.
That's for you. Yeah. That's for you. Olivia.
Oh, Olivia, do you have tattoos too? They're girly tattoos. Awesome. Oh, look, Olivia. Oh, awesome, buddy. Oh. Hey, Olivia, stop it. Look. Oh, I'm so excited. I love these gifts. Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. We love them.
My best one.
I know. Let's hear it. Let's hear Grandma's voice. Hey, stop eating.
A gift for Olivia Jo Pena. Read to you by Grandma Kinstetter.
Cute. Olivia, look at your book.
Oh, is that?
Every wish I make with love could magically come true. I'd gladly spend them all on you. That's what grandmas do.
It's Grandma's voice.
This Grandma's voice?
Voice.
Where is this a tree?
Well, it's not like yours. It's different. It's Olivia's. It's not a Christmas one, I don't think. Look.
I wish you pancakes shaped like hearts in great big gooey piles. Plus yummy donuts masked to look like happy smiles.
Yay! Olivia, clap. Clap. Yay!
I wish you time to play outside and sunny bright blue skies. I hope that only friends.
What do you say to Grandma and Grandpa, buddy?
Thank you.
And what else? Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.